Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my Ipsy as well as my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I just wanted to unbox them together. First thing though, in here I have so much stuff. When I opened the envelope, I was like, oh my goodness, there's a lot in here. The first thing is something that I got as an add-on. It is the Yensa Color Plus Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This is the primer I'm actually wearing today. I found that it's been helping my makeup stick a little bit better than some of the other ones that I have been using. So I decided to get an extra one of that when it was $12 for the add-ons. The other add-on I got was this guy. It's 12 benefits. It's a healthy hair treatment that you leave in. And I love this type of a leave-in treatment because the spray is so much easier. And it just looks like a regular one, kind of a little thicker liquid type thing. And then I forgot until I got this that I had redeemed points. So I have the Foxy Bay, Flamingo Leave-In Cream Conditioner, which is also for your hair. So yeah, those were my extras that came in the bag. All right, moving on to the bag itself. The first thing in here are 2 moisturizing masks from Mid-Flower. They say they're hyaluronic acid and they expire in 2021, which is nice because some of the ones I've gotten in other bags have expired really early. Let's see, this says it's 100% biodegradable mask and it's supposed to provide 24 hours of hydration. So that's interesting. Then moving on to the bag itself, this is what it looks like this month. It has lots of leaves on it. It's nice and bright and has that peachy color. And the first thing I pulled out is from Cuccio color. I have no idea. It is a nail polish anyway. And this is what the color looks like. It's a little dark, I feel like, for the summer. I feel like this is more of a fall color for me. This is called Mercury Rising, and it's supposed to be a grape color, but it looks brighter on the sheet itself, if you can see that. But maybe that's just me. I'll try it eventually. It's probably going to be a month at least before I get to it though. All right, the next thing I'm pulling out is from Phase Zero, and this says it is a cotton candy blusher, which makes me feel like it's a British company since it calls it a blusher. Let's see. It doesn't say anything about the company. Oh, but it says London on the back, so yes, that's right. That is what it looks like. It's a very just generic pink. There's nothing super exciting, I would think, about it. It is pretty subtle, and I got a little too much, so it flaked a little bit, but that's what it looks like. It's nice. It's not like overly exciting. And I got a blush last month in my Ipsy, so I'm a little irritated to get 2 in a row. All right, next is Hemp's. This is the Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Body Moisturizer. Now, I have the shampoo and conditioner from them in this scent, and it smells so good. Yep, really good scent. So that's kind of nice. I think they have good scents. That's about all I can say. All right, and my last thing in here is from Smashbox. It is an always-on liquid lipstick, and it says it's in the shade Babe Alert, which is my favorite, one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. I finished this one earlier this year, and I was so bummed, and it's been on my list to repurchase. So I'm glad I got this, because that will put me off from buying a new lippy for a little while. It's so pretty, and it's has so much more depth to it now. Like, it's not depth. It's a smoother formula because it's brand new. I'm so excited. So this month's Ipsy, I mean, the sheet masks, I don't really need hydrating, so those are a little irritating, but what can you do? The Hemp's I'm glad about because of the scent, but I have so many lotions. I really didn't need that. I should probably pass it along, but I probably won't. Nail polish, we'll see. I'm not really sure about the nail polish. The blush, I'm a little meh on, but I'm super excited for the Babe Alert because that is my favorite shade, and it's one of my favorite lipsticks. Like, it's one of the few that I've finished in a full size. Hang on, and we will unbox the Plus next. I hope the lighting isn't too bad. I'm trying to check it as I go, but it's kind of hard because the clouds keep coming and going. So I apologize if the lighting is a little all over the place because I use a lot of natural lighting and my lights don't seem to be doing a whole lot right now. All right, Ipsy Plus. Now I did get I redeemed for a couple of things and I grabbed them out first thing, and I was so excited about these when I ordered them until I realized I already have the palette of these. So these are the IBY Beauty Poolside eyeshadows, and I got Splish Splash and No Running, but I'm not gonna open them because I already have the Poolside palette that they came from. I wish I had realized that and I could have saved myself. But the shades that I got were No Running, which is here, and then Splish Splash, which is here. So I was just going to swatch these so that you can see them. I'm going to either put them in a giveaway or give them to a friend. I have not even used this palette once. I really need to use it, but those are what those two look like. Splish Splash and No Running. Yeah, I wish I hadn't wasted like a lot of my points, almost all of my points on those. So, my fault, kind of silly. All right, this is what the box looks like inside. And of course you always get this. This does give us values on them, unlike the regular Ipsy. So the first thing in here is from Pixie. It says Skin Treats Glow Mist with Propolis and Argan Oil. It's a nourishing mist. Now you can see all of the oil in there, and I guess you probably have to shake it really well. This says it's a value of $15. I'm not even going to open this because I am so oily. I do not need a glowing, luminous, smooth complexion. I mean, smooth, yes, but I do not need to put oil on my face because it has enough oil as it is. So that one I'm a little frustrated with because they keep sending glowy things for oily skin when you put down what your skin type is and everything. So that's a little irritating to me. The next thing I'm going to pull in here is another thing that I'm irritated about. It is mascara. I always say I don't like mascara. I rate it terribly. And I know some people love this mascara, but I don't. So this is going actually to my friend because she was just asking me if I had one of them. And so she is in luck because she's going to get this, the Superhero. It looks really nice and I really liked it when I first started it, but then it started flaking on me and had black streaks under it. So it's going to be heading out. That retails for $24. Then next in here is from Naked Cosmetics. This is a stack, I believe. It says it's a 4-piece pigment set, value at $40. I have several Naked Cosmetics eyeshadows that have come in Ipsys in the past, like my regular Ipsy. So there's 4 in here. I don't really want to open them because I might pass these along because I never reach for my single shadows, which is another reason why it was stupid that I redeemed for those ones. But those are what the shades look like. They're very neutral shades. You have like a gold, a like charcoal gray, a dark brown, and like a very light brown. So Ipsy is not killing it this month for me. So that one I'll probably pass along as well. We have 2 items left. This one is the one I am most excited about. It is from Huda Beauty. It is the 3D highlighting palette, and it is in the shade on the top, Pink Sands. And I love Huda. Everything that I've tried from Huda, I have really enjoyed. I really love her eyeshadows. That's what I'm wearing today. I love her lipsticks. So this is what the highlighters look like. It looks like there's one that's a cream and the other three aren't. And it looks like you can, it says apply Capri as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. This one you set it from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. This one you sculpt, you go under your cheekbones. And then this one is to put on your cheeks. So this one you could definitely use as a blush. This is Ibiza. So that's what it looks like. We'll do Santorini, which is the very light one. And then we'll do this one. And I'm going to swatch the cream. Ooh, which just feels a little weird. They feel super silky though. Oh my gosh. They feel like butter, which is, I mean, I'm not a big fan of cream products, but those other three felt so nice going on, like crazy smooth, beautiful. This retails for $45, which is one of the reasons why I don't own it, because that's quite a bit. And it's been on my list though. I had been thinking about getting these, and then she had her anniversary sale at one time and I almost got some of them, but really excited to get this one, and I think this is the best one I could have got. And I love that they added like dimension to the packaging. Last thing in here is an watermelon energizing aqua bomb from Pure Lease. So this is a retail value of $45, which seems like a lot because this is not a giant thing of moisturizer. And it is sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed for now. But it says it has vitamins A, C, E to help brighten your complexion. Okay. So this one I'm okay with. It's going to take me a while to get to it, but I'll still use it. This one I'm really excited. It paid for the $25 box in my opinion, because I didn't spend $45 on this, or 20% off of $45. This one is a complete and utter fail for me. I am kind of irritated that they sent it. Mascara is another no for me. I did email Ipsy Care and said I don't want eyeliner, I don't want mascara, so hopefully they'll stop sending them, because I asked them, I said, you know, I never used to get them when I had Ipsy and it was really good. You've really followed my customization and my reviews, and now you're not with the Ipsy Plus, so what's going on, and why do I keep getting glowy products when I'm marked as oily on there? They didn't answer that question, but this one I think would be okay. It's just not really my shades, so I would rather pass it along. So yeah, for me it was worth it because of the one item. It was a savior, but the rest of it was kind of blah. I'm really disappointed that I was silly and did that, and because this palette, I really need to use this palette. This palette is super pretty. So that's my goal this week, is to use this palette. All right, let me know what your thoughts were on my Ipsy bags. What did you get in your Ipsys? I love hearing from you down below. I hope you are all having a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.